Welcome back to the ClearPass video series. So in this video we are going to discuss what is the ClearPass role, what is ClearPass role mapping, enforcement profile and enforcement policy. So uh, let's jump into the video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Tarindu and I'm working as a network consultant for 10 years of period now. So in this video we are going to discuss about ClearPass role mapping, enforcement profile and enforcement policy. Let's start the video. Before we jump into the technical stuff, let me give you a simple analogy. Think of your network like a hotel. When you arrived at a hotel, three things can be happen. First, the front desk check who you are and are you a regular guest, a VIP, or maybe the hotel staff. Second, based on who you are, they program your key card differently. VIP guest access to the penthouse and exclusive lounge. A regular guest gets access their floor and the hotel pool. Staff members get access to everywhere. Third, when you tap your card at any door, the system check your card type and either let you in or deny you access. ClearPass exactly the same way for the network. The roles. First up, roles. A role is simply a label or a category that identifies what type of users or devices you are. Think of it like a badge. In a company, you might have the employee badges, guest badges, contractor badges. In ClearPass, you might have role like students, uh, faculty, IT admin, corporate devices, guest. A role is just a name tag that says this is the type of user or device connecting into my network. There is no magic here. It literally just a category name. The real work happens when we figure it out which role to assign to each person. Role mapping policy. Now, how does ClearPass know which role to give someone? That is where the role mapping policy comes in. This is like the hotel front desk checking your reservation and the ID. When someone tries to connect to your network, ClearPass asks a bunch of questions like what's your name? What type of device you are using? Where are you connecting from? What time is it in? Are you using a certificate? Based on these answers, it assigns appropriate role. Let me give you some example. Example 1. If your username ends with @company.com, you get the employee role. Example 2. If your username is guest123, you will get the guest role. Example number 3. If you are connecting from the IT department and location and using a laptop, you might get the IT admin role. The role mapping policy is basically a big decision tree that says based on these conditions, you are this type of user. Simple, right? Enforcement profile. Okay, now ClearPass know what role you are, but what does that actually mean? What access do you get? That's where enforcement profiles come in. Think of these as an actual rule book or access package for each role. An enforcement profile contains all the technical settings, which VLAN you will be based on, what speed limits you will get, what security profiles you need to follow, what firewall rules or access control to your traffic. Let me show you these three examples. Employee profile, it getting VLAN 10. Also, it will have the full speed and access to printers and files. No restrictions at all. Guest profile, it will be on VLAN 50, but it will have a limited bandwidth, internet only, no access to the printers or file, and no internal resources access. Student profile, it's also you will get the VLAN 20, will have only allowed websites and also the educational resources, no admin access at all. Each this profile is like pre-configured access package ready to be applied based on your role. Okay, now here is the final part, which it is enforcement policy. This is the master lookup table that connects roles and policies. It's super simple. The enforcement policy says if you have this role, then you will get this enforcement profile. Let me show you by using this table. In here we have roles, enforcement profiles, and the result. Let's say the user get employee role. They will get the employee enforcement profile. What is the actual result of that profile? They will get the full corporate access. Same, if the role is guest, they will get the guest profile. In the guest profile, if you remember, in that one have only internet access, no internal resources. Student also same, they will get the student role and they will apply into the student profile. Student profile will have only for the educational resources only. IT admin also same, they will get the admin profile, they will also get the full network control. That's it. It's just matching the system. Think of it like a vending machine. You put it in your role and the out comes your access profile. It's simple as it is. Let me put all these together so you can see how all these four pieces work as a one system. Here is what happened when someone tried to connect to the Wi-Fi. User connect to the Wi-Fi or a wired. Role mapping policy, examine and assign the role. We can say it assign the guest role. Then it will come to the enforcement policy. It try to find the matching role, and then it try to find the enforcement profile assigning into that role. So once the enforcement profile is applied, the user get appropriate network access. So in the guest one, they are getting only internet only and the speed limit is 50. All of these things happens within a seconds automatically. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I think now you have an idea about what is role mapping policy, what is enforcement profile, what is enforcement policy in the ClearPass. So if you like this video, you maybe like the video which I did about in here regarding the ClearPass video series. So let's meet up in the next video. Thank you for watching.